With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, so this is the question we have to solve. AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. Also it is given that EA is perpendicular to AB and angle of BEF is equal to 55 degree. So we have to find the value of X, Y and Z. So first write the given things. So AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF and EA is perpendicular to AB and angle of BEF is equal to 55 degree. So solve. It is given that AB is parallel to CD. Line AB, this line is line AB and this line is CD. AB is parallel to CD and BE. This line BE is traversal line. This is traversal. So we can say from here that X is equal to Y. So AB, write that AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD and BE is traversal. BE is traversal. So we can write that X is equal to Y. X is equal to Y. X is equal to Y because they are X and Y are corresponding angle. X and Y are corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. So we got X and Y from here. So just see for CD parallel EF. So we know that CD is parallel to EF. CD is parallel to EF. And here is also BE is traversal. This line is CD and this is EF. And BE, this line B, or we can say DE also. So just try BE. Line BE is traversal. BE is traversal. B is traversal. If B is traversal, then angle Y and angle 55. Sum of angle Y and 55 will be equal to 180 because these are the interior angle of same side. So Y plus 55 degree is equal to 180 because these are interior angle of same side. So just solve for Y. Y is equal to 180 minus 55. So Y is equal to 125 degree. And from here we can say, we know that X is equal to Y. So X is also equal to 125. So now see in the question, EA is perpendicular to AB. So just solve for EA. EA is perpendicular to, so now we know that AB is parallel to EF. Because if AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, so from here we can say that AB is parallel to EF also. So AB is parallel to EF. And just now come back to the figure. AB, this line AB is parallel to line EF. And from here AE, this line AE. AE is traversal. This line A is traversal line. This line A. So write A is traversal. A is traversal. So when A is traversal, then angle BAE and plus angle FEA is equal to 180, because these are also interior angle of same side. So angle of BAE plus angle of FEA is equal to 180 degree, because these are interior angles of same side. Interior angle of same side. So BAE is equal to 90 degree. So just write here BA is equal to 90 degree plus, just see in the option, FEA is this whole angle, and this is Z plus 55. So 90 plus FEA is Z plus 55. This is equal to 180 degree. So Z plus 90 plus 185 is 145 is equal to 180 degree. So from here we can say Z is equal to 180 minus 145, and Z is equal to 35 degree. So this is Z, and these are the value of X and Y, and this is our final answer. What we have to find the value of X, Y and Z only.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.